Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a group chat on Threads app. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. And now let's begin. So first, we will want to open our Threads app. After that, we will want to go simply to our profile so we can be able to create some chat groups. So here we have this plus button and that would only allow us to create some threads, but we want to add some chat groups. So here we will find these four tabs. We have the home page, you have the discover or search, we have the creation panel, and those are just the activity like what you have seen, like etc. And here we will have our profile picture. So here we will have many abilities. We will find like media, replies, reposts, and feeds. And then you will want to start creating your threads. And make sure that you have already some followers, or you can uh, also only choose mention by you. And simply you will want to make sure to have like a groups or like a threads that will be only seen by people that you choose. So here either you can choose your followers, profiles you follow, or mentioned only. And now you will want to start mentioning people, so you can choose anything, and after that you will be able to start adding threads and you can post it. So here I'm just going to have anything post, and by that you will be able to have kinda a group chat that will be used in threads. Or you can simply start having many followers, or only have a handful of followers that you want to be uh, here, and then you will all be able to start participating on the threads. So thank you for watching and see you next time.